Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include leather seats, towing package, cooled seats, ventilated seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2016 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.